the heart of the KwaZulu-Natal province in South Africa, in a place called eShowe, tens of thousands of Zulu people have come together in a magnificent display of Zulu culture and heritage. As these men move as one, demonstrating the advance and falling back of the Zulu warriors through the famous war dance known as Umzansi.
What's so captivating about Zulu dancing is the power, the strength that it discharges. You get involved spiritually, emotionally, physically whilst watching the dance. Most often we see song and dance combined in everything we do. So song and dance, they intertwined. In some of the churches, our African churches, we do dance and beat the drum. We beat the drum, we dance, because you have to let the spirit free.
The Zulu people are mostly Christians, but also have a strong connection to their ancestors. The Shembe is one of the largest churches among the Zulu people, and every October they host a large gathering, which culminates in an impressive display as they celebrate their religion, ancestors, and heritage through traditional dance and garb.
Different regiments had different coloured shields and perhaps different coloured skins hanging off the front, or different forms of that. More important people wore, for instance, purple-crested luris, red feathers in their hair. Some had a top knot denoting that they were senior warriors.
To be a man, you must wear a hat, like this. So for the soldiers, like warriors, if I can say. For the warriors, we dress up, we wear this to show that you are the warrior. So for the royalty, there is different because it's a leopard. It's made out of a leopard. Everything for royalty is made out of a leopard. The men wear the apron, it's nene, like this, and the ipeshu, that is a battle's cover, and the men wear the amashoba. You wear sometimes this Angora goat skin.
It is not just the men who get dressed up.
Young girls, they only decorated themselves with bits, short skirts, the nice bits that they wear. And engaged women, their head were like there, but open on top to show that that lady is engaged. In Chago, it will be open. And then when you married, then it's closed on top.
Dance is integral to Zulu identity and is performed to commemorate life, God, and even ancestors.
We Africans, we celebrate so many events in our lives. Sometimes it's an ancestral event. So song and dance, it's like lifting up the spirit of whatever event. The dance that we do, sometimes it brings up the spirit of those who were there before us. And they will always be there. Because even if when I pass on, my spirit will always be celebrated by my family one day. And whenever they do or talk about me or maybe celebrating me, there will be song and dance.
And drums, which always carry the beat of the Zulu dance.
Big African drums, they give us that drive. You know, Zulu warriors, when they go to the war, they will sing. They will always sing.
Kholani is an ambassador of Zulu heritage.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was a hunting dance.
And on a day-to-day basis, he gives international tourists a taste of local life at Shakaland Cultural Village.
Here at Shakaland, we are preserving the culture by teaching people. No matter where you come from, here we teach Zulu culture.
And he does this through demonstrating Zulu traditions. From the brewing of Zulu beer to dancing. For hundreds of years, dance has been a form of storytelling in Zulu culture, and each dance communicates a different narrative.
We tell the story through dance, like the hunting. We will see the movement that we do is stepping the animals. And then you will see when the men falling down, because when you go to the battle there will be like dangerous animals, like leopard, like lions. So when you duck and diving for those animals, but after all, you'll come back home safely.
This dance is called Isigenyana.
In olden days, when our fathers looking for their cackles, missing their cackles in Johannesburg. So they were in Johannesburg, and then when they were there, so they would miss their cackles, and then, hey, my cow, his horns are like this, and so when they're showing, they also do the dance at the same time. So we call that dance bull dance in Ushemen in Zulu. So that is how we're showing how we miss our things. Tupi as Zulu means many things. It means the nation. Wherever I go, I'm also very proud to be a Zulu.
Almost 500 kilometres away in Johannesburg, Enoch, under the direction of Todd, is hard at work rehearsing for their next show. They too take the story of the Zulu people beyond borders, through the contemporary theatre show, Africa Umoja.